It will check for the mid-priority exposures. Okay, and this. If this is also null, then it will check for the low priority. Okay, so that's how the segmentation rules work. Event-fired rules are used for integration purposes. If you want to integrate to application external system with the Guidewire system, okay, then event-fired rules are created to generate the payload to be sent to the third-party system. Okay, so we have different third-party system mentioned here, ISO, Metro, these all the name of third-party systems. Okay, so these rules are written just to generate the payload which need to be sent to the third-party system. But as we are skipping the integration part as of now, so you can leave it, but you just need to know that. Okay, these rules are used for integration, okay. Presetup rules we already mentioned, right? So whenever a new entity is created, deleted or updated, these presetup rules will be done and we need to. If you want to create a new presetup rule for a new entity, you will need to define the root object as an entity and you can define the rules, right? Yeah. So these are the major rules. There are multiple and, if you will, if you want to go into the details of each and every rule, right, you can.